Hi students, through this video we will explain you how to take the test using the Android mobile app. Uh, all the students who wish to take the distance learning examinations using the mobile phone, ensure you have an Android mobile device only. First I'll explain you what are the prerequisites of this exam. So just ensure that you have a latest version of Google Chrome on your mobile phone. To check whether if your Google Chrome has the latest version, click on Google Play Store, go to and search Chrome. And when you search Chrome, if you get an option open, that means your app is updated. If you get an option as update, just ensure you follow the instructions and update the latest version of Google Chrome. So this is step number one, having the latest version of Google Chrome. Step number two, we will show you how you need to upload the CoCubes app, download the CoCubes app. So go to search assessment and click on CoCubes app. So this is how it will reflect. You need to click on install. So once you click on install, the app will complete the installation and it will ask you certain permissions, and please follow these instructions and give your permission. So we'll click on open. So this is the first place where you need to give the permissions. It is basically explaining you why these permissions are taken. On the next page, you'll click on allow. You'll click on allow only while using the app. Click on allow and click on allow. So once you finish giving all the permissions, the system will take you through to this page. Now this is the first page. Here you need to enter Geetam CDL. All are small letters and one single word, Geetam CDL. If you enter the name incorrectly here, it will take you to a different page and you need to come back here and restart the process to get to the test page. Now click on type Geetam CDL and click on continue. So when you click on continue, the system will take you to this page. Now on this page, you are required to enter your name, enter your complete name as per your university records. Your user ID is nothing but your roll number, your college roll number that is issued to you. So this is a demo test, so I'll just enter roll number. Similarly, you'll enter a password which is given to each one of you. So we'll enter the password and we will enter the passkey. So for every exam there will be a unique passkey. So just ensure that you are entering the passkey which is scheduled on a given day. So in this page, if you enter the details incorrectly, I'll quickly show you what are the messages. So if you enter the password incorrectly, the system will show you a message, invalid passkey. You enter the passkey correctly, but you enter the password incorrectly. The system will show you, please verify the provided information. Now if you enter the password correct and you enter your user ID incorrect, now the system will show you, please verify the information provided. So whenever you enter any information incorrectly here, this is the error message that comes, please verify the provided information. So let me just enter the correct details now and click on start examination. So now the test has started. Here the system will show you basic instructions and also you are required to give the consent. While the examination is happening, the faculty of Geetam University are monitoring the students from the backend. They will look at your images, your videos, and uh, follow your behavior during the examinations. So please adhere to the examination guidelines. So you give your acceptance, and after this you can see your instructions. So you read the instructions thoroughly, and at the bottom of the page it will give you a good to go message if your infrastructure is properly set up. So once everything is correct, click on start now. to answer the first question. For example, I'll click on next here. Now the system will not allow me to go ahead. Now if you don't want to answer this question at this time, you have an option to mark for review, and then you can proceed to the next question. Now again, next question I'll not answer, I'll try to go next. Now the system throws an error. So just ensure that if you do not wish to answer this question, you click on mark for review. So we'll click on next here. Now those people who are writing the test using the mobile app, on the left hand side you have all the question numbers, and every time you answer a question it will show you in green color, and every time you mark for review a question it will show in purple color, and every time you do not answer a question it will show you red in color, so that you know exactly that you answered all the questions or not. For those students who are using the mobile browser, this is the review panel. You need to click on the review panel on the top left hand side of the screen, and the ones that are highlighted in yellow are to be reviewed. The ones that are in blue are the questions that you have answered. The ones that are in gray, you have not answered this question. So let me go back to, at this point of time you can click on number 1 or number 2 and the system will take you to that particular question. So again I'll come to the review. Now again I'll go to the 10th question and I'll quickly answer it. So again students, you cannot go directly to the 30th question, the system will not take you. But at this point of time, if you wish to go to question number 3, you can go. So guys, one more alert here. Every time you try to minimize the mobile phone and if you are trying to go to another window, the system will give you a warning. Let me show you how that works. For example, I'll try and open a different page and I'll go back to the test window. Now if you see, the system has given you a warning. So if you do this 6 times, the 7th time your test will automatically be submitted and you're not allowed to log in again. During the entire duration of the test, it is important that you are in front of your device and you're not trying to open any other application. And all the mobile phone users, please uninstall Truecaller app, because whenever a call comes, the Truecaller app will force you to uh, access it. So please uninstall the Truecaller app so that is no, so that the violation doesn't come for you. So I'll quickly answer all these questions. So once you answer all these questions, only then the system will allow you to submit and log out. You can quickly hit the button, hit the top left hand corner review button and click on the first and the second question which we marked for review earlier, and you unmark it. Now at this point of time all your questions are marked. If you wish to submit, you can submit, or else if you want to go back to a particular question, you can click on that number, and now you see at the bottom right hand side corner you can see the question that you have gone to. Now you can again click on 30 and go back to the last question. So here you click on answer and submit and log out. When you submit and log out, you get this message that your assessment is successfully submitted. So guys, this is the mode, these are the instructions required to take the test using the mobile app. Kindly ensure you have a latest version of Google Chrome. Uninstall Truecaller app and do not open any other applications while the examination is going on. If you do so, if the system will give you warnings, and for the last warning the system will automatically submit the test for you. So please stay on this page for the entire duration of the test. Wish you all the best, guys.